Hello everybody, if you want to support the channel, these are $15 plus $8 shipping. They're plushies. They're 18 inches. See, I have some bird ones like the ducks, but there's also others, like there's a Rasta pickle, watermelon, hash brown, so many. So like, if you're interested, that's what I want to do. I want to sell these 15 bucks, 7 ship, and subscribe to my channel. Look, there's bacon in there, some sausage and gingerbread. There's all kinds. Unicorn, ice cream, and that's how I'll buy the bird seed and stuff for the wildlife. So we'll figure it out, and I'll show you how you can get them. I don't know.